Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you delicious Dominican stewed beans. So the ingredients are 1 pound of pinto beans. I soaked it with water overnight. That way the beans can soften a little bit. We're also going to need 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Dominican oregano powder, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and about half a tablespoon of salt or to taste. We're also going to need cilantro leaves, fresh cilantro leaves. We're going to need 4 garlic cloves. We're also going to need auyama, which is a type of kabocha squash, 1 small red onion, and 1 bell pepper, green bell pepper. Now all I'm going to do is I drained the beans and I added new water. So I'm just adding all the ingredients together. Super, super simple. And I'm also going to add 1 packet of sazon Goya, culantro, y achiote, this to add color to the beans. Now we're going to mix it up, making sure everything is well incorporated, all the flavors. And we're going to cook this for about 2 hours on medium heat. So in between the 2 hours, you want to mix it, check on the beans, making sure it doesn't dry up. But if it does dry up, you can just add half a cup of water, like I'm adding right now, and just let it cook and let it do its thing. And that's it, guys. Just let it cook, and once you see the beans are nice and soft, you are ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys can make it as well, and I will see you next time.